अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। ए मेरे रब मुझे इल्म ज़्यादा दे। आमीन।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well at home. Now here is your English notebook, open it, write date here, HW and day here, okay? And today we are just going to revise sentences as you have done in your previous pages. Now come on, hold your pencil and write the caption with me. M-A-K-E, make. Leave finger space and write down S-E-N, sen. I hope everyone has written S-E-N. Now let's write T-E-N, ten, ten. Read the letters and spell it and then write C-E-S-S, sentences. Now check your spelling. M-A-K-E, have you all written like this? Leave one finger space. S-E-N, T-E-N, sentence, C-E-S, sentences. I hope everyone has written the caption with me. Now first I'm going to explain you or revise the definition of sentences. I told you in the class also that is collection of meaningful words are called sentences. Now here is a picture of mango and we have to make the sentence of these words which I am writing on the margin. M-A-N-G-O, mango. I have drawn one picture for you. I'm writing the next word. According to that word you have to draw pictures inside the margin as you were doing in the class. Now next picture is, next word is car. C-A-R, car. Then B, draw a picture of car here with the help of your mummy or anyone else. B A double L, ball. Then the last one is cow. C-O-W, cow. Now I will give you some example how you are going to make sentences of these words. Suppose if you are making the sentence of word mango, you can make I like to eat mango or I like to drink mango shake. Mango is good for our health. Mango is a very delicious fruit. Mango is a good source of vitamin C. Mango is the king of fruit. There are so many options I have given for this word. Now let's make the sentence of another word. This is car. It's very easy. You can write I have a car. I have a big car. My father can drive the car. I come to school by car. Ali is playing with the toy car. Okay, and now let's make this word, sentence of this word. This is a ball. Ball. You are all familiar with these words. Okay, now you can make he has a big ball. My brother is playing with the ball. I can catch the ball. Okay, and now the last word is cow. Cow. Cow is a pet animal. Cow gives us milk. Cow eats grass and hay. Baby cow is called a cow. I have given so many options here and you can make your own also because you have done this work in your notebook. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Let's revise some more number writing today. This is your math notebook. write date, HW and day here. Now after writing date, day, HW, leave one line and from here leave one square and start writing with me N U M num B E R bird. Leave one square and then write down W R. Are you all writing with me? I hope so. Very good. W R I write, T I N G ting, writing, number writing 130 to 159. After writing the caption, children leave one line and then start writing H. H stands for, come on speak up, 100. T stands for tens. U stands for unit. 100 tens unit. Leave two squares in between. 100 tens unit. Use color pencil to write 100 tens unit. Or you can, if you don't have it, then you can use your regular pencil also. 100 tens unit. In the first column, you will write 130. Read the numbers when you are writing. 131, 132, 133, 134, and write till here 135, 36, 137, 138 and 139. Then start the column here 140, 140, 141, 142. Are you all writing and reading the numbers with me? Good. 143, 144, and write till 149. After completing this column, then come to the next one, that is the column of 150. 151, 152, 153, 154, and complete till here 159. I hope everyone has written number writing with me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now here is your all for us. Let's recite some poem today. Now this is page number 9 and the title of the poem is Incy Wincy Spider. We have read this poem in the class also. I am reciting this poem again. Now all of you recite the poem with me. Are you ready? Come on, let's start. Incy Wincy Spider climbing up a spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Again recite it with me, okay? Incy Wincy Spider climbing up a spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Recite this poem at least 5 times, okay? Thank you.
अब हमें यहाँ क्या करना है, मुश्किल अल्फाज पे हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे और उसे हम अपनी नोटबुक में उर्दू की कॉपी में लिखेंगे। तो हम यहाँ अंडरलाइन करेंगे जंगल को। हम आज करेंगे इसमें से 5 अल्फाज, ठीक है। जंगल, दरख्त, चूहे, हिरन, शाम। 1 2 3 4 5 हो गए।
सबसे पहले आपने अपनी किताब को खोलकर उसके ऊपर इस तरीके से नोटबुक रखनी है ताकि आपको नज़र आए। फिर आप यहाँ तारीख़ लिखेंगे, उसके बाद आप यहाँ दिन लिखेंगे। सबक का नाम 3 दोस्त। उसके बाद आप यहाँ हेडिंग डालेंगे मुश्किल अल्फाज की। मुश्किल अल्फाज। उसके बाद आपने यहाँ से मुश्किल अल्फाज लिखना शुरू करना है। सबसे पहले जंगल, इस तरीके से जंगल। इसके बाद नंबर 2 पर दरख्त, दरख्त। नंबर 3 पर चूहे, चूहे। नंबर 4 आपने सिर्फ 5 मुश्किल अल्फाज लिखने हैं। नंबर 5 पर हिरन, नंबर 5 पर शाम, शुक्रिया।